I've gone ahead and prepped and loaded the 3-day pack, the 3-day assault pack. Remember we talked about having the weight up higher in this area up here, and then also order of magnitude on what's important, what you need right now. So I'm just got this packed. I'm going to unpack it so you can see kind of my thinking on how I load things, and you can adapt that to any way you want to load for what you want to do. So as we look through this, right on top is my rain gear. So this is easily accessible. If it's raining, I don't care if it gets wet because I'm already going to put it on. There's no sense putting on dry rain gear because it's rain gear. So this comes off and it's just 2 fast techs, and then I have both my rain top with my pants, rain pants rolled inside them. So I got both of those readily accessible right on top. Going through the rest of the pack. Again, this is a 3-day pack. I'm going to live out of this for 3 days out in the field. So in this pack right here is where I keep all my food, my licky chewies, anything that I need. So all my food as well as my towel. Again, I love stuff sacks because I got it right here. This is my towel. Can also be used as a shelter. It's big enough, very versatile. Always take a towel no matter where you're going. So in here's all my food, my trail mix, all my food that I need to survive. All goes in this pouch right here, and I know exactly, and I pack it how I'm going to eat it. So that's in that center pouch. I do have room for a few more meals in here, so all that goes in this pouch. In this small pouch on the outside, I keep a total E&E kit. This has fishing line, it's got rope to make a shelter, it's got signaling devices, razor blades, sewing kit, all this stuff. This is a manufactured E&E or survival kit that I carry with me wherever I go. So that just stays and lives in this pouch right here. On the sides, on the outside, I've got my IFAK, my first aid kit, always right with me. Everything I need for a basic first aid kit. Also, in this side, I've got a hat. Even no matter what the weather, you should always take, a good hat. It'll keep the rain off your head. It'll keep your head warm on wet. You can use it to forage with. It's just always one thing that I'll always take with me no matter where I go. This is kind of set up for hunting, so on this side I will have my candle. This is my light. So I've got my candle in here. That stays in that pouch, and in this pouch is where I have my Kestrel, my wind. This is all my weather information that I take with me anytime I'm going out in the field. So that's what's on the external pouches. Again, remember, I'll probably have stuff in my jacket. I may be wearing a light vest, anything underneath this that I can have other pockets for just small trinkets that I may need. This is just for the big stuff for the 3-day pack. Again, we've got our compression straps all the way down. We don't want this shaking around. We want it all nice and compact. So inside, again, we want our weight centered and up high. So in here, I've got my heavier jacket to go under my rain jacket. I got enough water to last me 3 days. I can refill as I needed with my water purification kit. I've got my small stove, which has got a small plate in it and collapsible to make my meals, and then I got my sleeping bag in the bottom. And that's basic packing, how I do for a 3-day on the 3-day assault pack.